Good morning everyone. Well, it's Fast Food Friday food review time again, and today I am heading off to McDonald's. They have got a brand new burger. It's called a Big Brekkie Burger. It's a breakfast burger filled with all your favourite breakfast ingredients. So let's whip in, buy one, see what it looks like, see what it tastes like, and give it a score out of 10. I'm nearly there, so pedal to the metal. There's the Golden Arches. They've got a drive-through, so let's use it. Can I have one Big Brekkie burger, please?
Just the burger?
Just the burger.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. $7.30. What? I looked online, it said $6.75, which I thought was overpriced. $7.30? Lucky I've got Patreons. $7.30. Just think of what I could have got for $7.30. I could have added a snack to my McCafe coffee for $3. I could have got a coffee and a snack. I probably could have bought a whole coffee machine. I could have got a great pizza from Domino's. Could have gone to Hungry Jack's and got a McValue meal, even though Hungry Jack's doesn't have McValue meals. I could have got a cookie from Subway. Thank you. Anyway, here it is. I'll tell you what, that McDonald's was absolutely pumping for 8 a.m, full of families and tradesmen, parents taking their kids for breakfast there before school. Yep, that'll really help with their learning. A gut full of McDonald's. Hey, let's find somewhere to park so we can suss this out. Alright, well here it is. It says here barbecue hash brown burger. So let's suss this bad boy out. Oh, well that looks alright, doesn't it? Looks like the one on the ad, almost. So it's a pretty good looking burger. So we got the sesame seed bun here. We got the dollop of barbecue sauce with some melted cheese. Looks like that cheddar. We got the crispy hash brown. Yeah, that's not crispy, that's soggy. Have a look at this. I've got 2 bits of bacon here. Wow, there's more bacon on that was on their Bacon Lovers burger. Then underneath that, we've got the egg. Oh boy, that's hot. And have a look at the size of this meat patty. That's got to be one of the biggest beefy bits of burger beef that I've ever seen on a McDonald's burger. It's like a 1/4 pounder. Oh, I wish I'd brought the scales now, then I could have weighed it, see if it was a 1/4 pound, but it's a big beef patty. Actually, the whole burger is a pretty good weight. It'd have to be close to the 250 gram mark, I reckon. Well, that is a big breakfast burger. You'd want to be for that $7.30 I paid for it. Anyway, my taste buds are dancing across my tongue, so let's dive on in. First impressions, really nice. Straight away I tasted that hash brown. I was expecting it maybe to be a little bit funny tasting on the burger, but no, it really makes the burger taste really nice. I can taste the bacon on there, I can taste the beef on there, I can taste all the ingredients on there, and they all taste pretty good. That barbecue sauce really gives it some depth and adds some flavour to it that really suits this burger. All the flavours mix in really well together, and you can taste each and every one of them as well. The eggs there, the bacon's there, the hash browns there, the cheese, the beef, the barbecue sauce, and those sesame seeds, well, they're just falling off into my fingers all the time.
I love a sesame seed.
Oh, I can't stop eating this. That's a good burger. And I still can't get over the size of that meat.
That's what she said.
Anyway, I've had enough of this now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Value-wise, well, at first I thought,
Oh gee, that's a bit expensive.
but you know what? You get what you pay for, and in the end, I actually thought it was a pretty good burger for the value for money. Flavour-wise, though, whoa, mate! I tell you what, this is packed full of flavours. Everything on it tasted really nice. It's got a lot of greasy sort of ingredients on there, but it doesn't have that unhealthy, greasy taste to it. It actually tastes really nice. It'd be a perfect hangover burger, or just a great burger if you want something cheesy and greasy and meaty and eggy. It's a really good tasting burger. I'm really enjoying eating it. So for all over value, all over taste, all over flavour, all over everything, McDonald's, I can hardly fault this burger. It might be a little bit overpriced, but I tell you what, it tastes really good. And for that, I'm giving you a 9.1 out of 10. So what's my recommendation? Well, mate, I tell you what, if you're driving past a McDonald's and you've got a bit of a hangover or you're just really craving for something greasy in your gut, whip on in and grab one of these. They taste really good. I'm really enjoying this burger, and I definitely would go back and get another one if I've had like a half a dozen the night before, that's for sure. It's a cracking burger. Make sure you give one a go. Have you tried the new Big Brekkie burger? Did you like it as much as I did? I thought it's really good. It's got everything on it that I enjoy eating for breakfast. It's just a really nice tasting burger, and I'm sure you'll like it. Anyway, I've still got quite a bit here to get through, so I'm going to sit here and finish it off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Friday for next Friday's fast food review. Rightio, well, I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger